Hey yo, Yowzy here, what's up? I am back after 1,000,000 years and a half. I had someone request for me to do a tutorial on how I do my Luke Taaco makeup from the Adventure Zone. And so I thought, why not make a bang and come back with a beautiful, beautiful girl. And so, here we go. So, like always, we're gonna start by taking off our glasses and revealing that we are really Superman. Pushing back our hair, and putting in our contacts, and the primer stuff. Put that on too. And now we've got our hair back and our contacts in, which for me are Oh My Kitty For You in Galaxy Blue. I got an adorable contact case of it too that I absolutely love, and I would die for them. Thanks! We're gonna start by putting on our foundation. And now onto the contour. For Luke, this is something that I like to do very feminine and soft. I just follow my cheekbone and keep it nice and soft, and don't go too rough, otherwise it'll make it look too masculine. And now I like to give these beautiful Taaco twins a nice tan summery glow, and so I use a golden brown across to give it a very tan look, and then I use my blush to give the lich a nice liveful youthful glow across the cheeks and the nose. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the eyebrows. Because I, like many others, portray the Taaco twins as blondes, what I do is I take a glue stick and swipe it on my brows once to make sure that the powder I use doesn't show up as dark and doesn't stick as well, so it wouldn't show up as dark as a pomade would. For the eye makeup is I take various shades of brown and layer it, and then do a nude color in the middle. I do this to give it lots of contrast, and then underneath the eye I do a dark deep red to give the eye more poppingness, because this girl is poppin'. Flames flame. Now for the eyeliner, I like to make a strong, big cat's eye, because she is a very strong catty woman. I like to make this very noticeable, and then also bring it on into the inside where my tear duct is. And now with my eyeliner and my falsies on, what I'm going to do next is the freckles. For the freckles, what I do is I take a white face paint and I use a sponge and a eyeshadow thingy-majig, and I dot those across my nose and then use this for a bigger one. Oh, and this is also why the blush is so important. It really makes the freckles stand out more instead of just like regular boring skin. Okay, so now I'm going to do my lipstick. What I do here is I take a lip liner and I follow the shape of my lips and point it just a little bit. And then I'm going to take and fill it in with lipstick, but I recommend using an actual lipstick brush and not the brush that comes with, because those are much harder to control than a regular one. that, I'm gonna put on my wig and my cosplay, and I'm all done. And that was my tutorial on how I do my loop Taaco makeup from the Adventure Zone. If you at all enjoyed this, you can check me out down below on my Instagram or Tumblr. And if you'd like to commission me to make your very own Witcher Wizard hat, you can DM me on any of my social media or email me. Now, thank you for watching. Gals are out!